In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert custom text in a video clip on Google Vids. First, open up your project, then select the specific clip where you want to add the text on the timeline. Now, in the right menu, click on Text, and here you actually have an option to add a plain title text or subtitle text or a body text, or you can also choose from this pre-designed text that already has a pre-made design and animation. You can drag the text box to position it anywhere on the screen and resize it to fit it perfectly. And here, just type your custom message, then use the text formatting options to adjust the font, change color, change the size, and alignment to match your style. And if you want, you can add animations to make your text pop. So all you have to do is select your text box and click on the animation button. And here you can choose from a bunch of animation options. And once done, make sure that you play your video to preview the text and make adjustments. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!